Peace, family. It's your boy Tariq Bey, Smoke and Grow Rich in the building. Listen, man, we've been getting a lot of DMs over the last couple of months of people really wanting to know how to get into this hemp game. The COVID-19 pandemic threw a monkey wrench in a lot of things, but we proud to announce that we are back. We will be in Atlanta, Georgia, November 28th. November 28th. That is the Saturday after Thanksgiving. So after that Black Friday, make sure you don't spend all your bread. Use some of that money and pay for your future into this hemp game. We are having the Seeds to Bricks workshop. Seeds to Bricks. We're going to show you the whole game. How to get into the hemp business. How to start your hemp farm. How to get a hemp license. How many plants can you get per acre? How do you water your plants? Where do you get your genetics from? How you harvest it? How you process it? All that. We're going to cover the whole game. You're going to have a world-renowned hemp expert, someone who's been growing for years, a person that has one of the first degrees in the hemp science in America. We'll be there teaching you the whole game, how to set your farm up and everything. After that, we're going to and it's a 4-hour workshop. The first 2 hours will be set aside for this, getting into this hemp game, sticking your hemp farm started. The next 2 hours, this is the Seeds to Bricks. We're talking about the bricks now. So in this session, we're going to be talking about hempcrete, because we're talking about industrial hemp. It can make 25,000 different products, but hempcrete is one of them. And hempcrete is a wonderful material. We'll show you the ins and outs of hempcrete. How do you make it? How is it made? How do you pour it? How do you use it in construction? How you use it for sustainable living? The whole nature. Just a primer. Hempcrete is made of this material right here, which is hemp hurd. It comes from the stalk of the plant. After you strip the fibers away, you're left with this. And this is broken down, crunched down, hammered down into this material, hempcrete, and it's mixed with a mixture of lime and some other things mixed in this. You mix these together, you add water, you got hempcrete bricks. We'll show you how to make it. We'll show you how you pour it, how you set it, the whole game. We're gonna show you that. Also included in your ticket will be a home DIY kit where you actually get some hempcrete to take home, or it'll be delivered to your house. A whole kit with instructions on how to make it, how to pour it. That comes with the price of admission into this workshop. For those of you who into construction and the building homes, hempcrete is sometimes could be labor intensive. You have to pour it. You might want to go a traditional route, but you still want to have hemp involved with your products. We'll be introducing another product, hemp wool or hemp insulation. You can use this just like you would use regular insulation. Put it into the walls. You put it in there just like regular insulation. It'll insulate your house, save you on energy bills, save you on energy costs by reducing your bill up to 70%. Termites don't like this. It's breathable, just like hemp. Just another different version for people that might want to go the traditional route. We'll be introducing this. So listen, make sure you come to the workshop. I'm gonna be in the building. The blue and the red pill will be in the building. We might have another special guest. We're working on it to be in the building. We will also have a mobile massage therapist out there rubbing that CBD oil on people, man, so you get to sample that. We also have some food, hors d'oeuvres, some infused things. We're gonna have a good time, but make sure you check us out. November 28th, 12 to 4. November 28th, 12 to 4. To register, text Smoke and Grow Rich to the number below. Text Smoke and Grow Rich to the number below and reserve your spot. And I hope to see you there. Peace.